Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change battery style in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. Usually, you will see battery style as a vertical one. See here. In my phone, this is the battery. Okay, so battery is located at the right upper corner. That is battery icon is located, okay, not real battery, and this is vertical one. Okay, if you would like to change or customize this vertical battery style, yes, you can do it. What you got to do, just go to the settings of phone first, go to the settings, then go to notifications and status bar, and here select status bar and go to battery style and percentage, and see here battery percentage is as of now in vertical. Okay, so if you would like to change to other one, choose horizontal. So see how it has been changed. The vertical battery icon is now like horizontal icon. Okay, then next circle, see battery icon is showing like a circle. So in this three way you can modify. Okay, you can keep vertical or keep horizontal or circle. Okay, if you would like to set to the default one is vertical. Okay, just to choose first one. Okay, so in this way you can easily change battery style in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.